Welcome to the huge project taking place at the Mechanicsburg Wegmans. Welcome to our cafe area. Here you can get many varieties of food. There's a hot bar, cold bar, veggie bar, wing bar, soup, many different foods that you can get here. When the store opened in 2007, grocery stores in Pennsylvania could not sell beer or wine. Wegmans was one of the first grocery stores in Pennsylvania that was allowed to sell beer. This happened after we opened the store. The store was not designed to have a beer section, so we had to fit it in this corner near the cafe. I won't go into the specifics, but we're only allowed to sell beer in the cafe part of the store since it's under a restaurant license. That's why we can't sell it in the grocery side. Just over a year ago, it was decided that the beer section needed to be expanded. This room is called the atrium room. It used to be just a secluded part of the cafe with lower ceilings and sort of a different atmosphere. Shelving has already been moved into this room to start the expansion. During this project, it will be professionally remodeled. This includes filling in the one wall that connects to the cafe, opening up the wall that enters into the atrium room. There's currently 2 French doors there, but it will be a wide open wall. Coolers will line 3 of the walls, and there will be 2 aisles in the middle. The 2 windows in front will be filled in, but they will still be there on the outside. You just won't be able to see through. Another change is there will be 2 new doors going into the cafe, and here it is from the other side. With the way the registers are set up right now, you kind of go into them backwards. If you're coming from the atrium room, then you have to go to the other side of the registers. The way they're being changed is they're going to be rotated 90 degrees, and when you exit the registers, you will be facing towards the cafe, so you can go straight out the door, or you can go into the cafe. The sushi department will be moved from its current location over to where the main kitchen is by where they sell the $6, $8, and $10 meals. This is also by the walkery. More bars will be added, and there will be a greater selection of food. The store is open 24 hours and will remain open during the length of the project. The work on this part will start in January, but first some other things need to be done. The first step is to add refrigeration, water, drain, and electrical lines to the atrium room. This has already been done. The refrigeration lines contain glycol. There is one line that goes into the cooler and then a return line. The water lines also go along the ceiling, and the white PVC lines are drain lines. These are pumped out through an evac system, which pumps the waste up and then out. For the first part of the project, they will be moving the sushi department. A sink needs to be added to the new sushi area. Here they are jackhammering the floor to add a new drain line. They will also bust through the wall to provide new water lines. Everyone else is just getting started. They're getting ready to move out the old countertops. Some more electrical and refrigeration lines are being run in the ceiling. The new drain line is in place and new concrete has been poured. The plumber is just finishing up the plumbing for the new sinks.
Two states, so I'll be alright.
The hole is patched and ready for tile. The tile guy redoes the floor and wall tile all in the same night.
Got a map?
So is this all you have to do, this on the floor, and then
Yeah.
you're done?
Yeah, but this, I got my work cut out for me. There's quite a bit of work.
Yeah.
I'll be here probably till 6 or so. Yeah, I was working up on the Ithaca store for a while too. They're taking out these brick ovens.
Oh.
They're taking 40 out in the next 2 years. Down to Virginia.
We got our new pizza oven, what, 3 years ago maybe?
Yeah. Yeah, we just finished one in Montgomeryville, Pennsylvania.
Oh yeah.
Big remodel in Allentown. I was there for.
Yeah. The old countertops are almost ready to go. The electrical, refrigeration, water, and drain lines all need to be disconnected before they can be removed. Then they need to be unfastened from the ground, and any extra parts have to be taken off. Once they're ready, a pallet jack is slid underneath and they're lifted up and carried away. There's 3 main counters that need to be taken away. They're loaded onto a tractor trailer and sent back to New York.
Hey, sit on it. I will. Hey, grab that 2x. Right here. Here, Eddie, why don't you move that real quick?
The new Sushi sign is in place.
Yes, sir. We're ready to rock and roll. All right, let's get this out. Hey, do what you got to do.
All of the old counters are gone. Now they need to move the existing Sushi display case into its new location. This is what Sushi currently looks like. Work has begun on disconnecting everything from the old Sushi. The display case is now disconnected and almost ready to be moved. The workers are disconnecting some more refrigeration and electrical lines. Here they're lifting the display case up and putting 2x4s underneath it.
Got it. Yeah, there's shot.
Now they just need to move the counter into its new place.
They're right in the center.
The old bolts that held it down are in the way, so they need to grind them off.
Put it in last year.
Oh, is this new?
Well, they moved it, and now they're moving it again. Alright. Straight back, I'm gonna spit it out there. Hold on.
This will be its final location. The smaller cases are moved into place. The case needs to be bolted down and then needs to be reconnected to everything. Other small work goes on throughout the area. The two new sinks are in place and the tile has been completely patched. The new sushi department was up and running this morning. Now that everything has been moved, the workers can take down the old drop ceiling and take away anything else from the old sushi department. The half wall that the old sink was up against is being patched. Not much is happening on this night. A new display case is being put where the sink was in the old sushi. Some more work is going on in the ceiling with the mechanical systems. The new sushi department is completed and is running smoothly. This is the area where the old sushi department was. And here are some pictures of the new sushi department. Part 1 of the huge project is now finished. Stay tuned for the next episode. Starting in early January, the rest of the project will take place and will be finished by February.